Did you know, my dear viewers, that lemon can help you a lot to remove your varicose veins? Because a lot of nutrients in your lemon, especially in the lemon juice, contains something special that is called vitamin C, but other nutrients that can help you a lot with the inflammation in your varicose veins. In today's video, I'm going to give you a couple of recipes that you can use that lemon for removing a skin spot, also a lot more information. My first recommendation is going to be special tea that you can drink to help improve varicose veins. The required ingredients are 300 milliliters of water, 2 fresh leaves from unpeeled lemon, heather or sage honey. To prepare this tea, place 2 freshly washed lemon leaves from unsprayed lemon tree in 300 milliliters of water. Boil the leaves for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, strain the tea and add honey. This tea has extremely pleasant fresh taste and light yellow-green color. You can sweeten the tea with the heather or the sage honey. Both types of honey are perfect complementing the lemon tea, making only not healthy but also a very enjoyable drink. This is unbelievably important information. Try remember this, my dear viewers. If you have a lemon tree in your garden, perfect. If you don't, you buy lemon tea in the special form of those leaves and you can drink it and you will help a lot with your varicose vein. Usually I'm recommended drink this for 15 to 30 days in a row and it's gonna help you a lot. But also you can, if you don't have those lemon leaves tea, you can also use lemon juice. My first recommendation is going to be very easy for you. If you want to remove your varicose veins, you only need 1 freshly squeezed lemon in 200 milliliters of water. You can mix it well and you can drink it early in the morning on the empty stomach. It's going to help you a lot with a lot of problems, especially with the varicose vein. And my second recommendation is going to be mixed lemon juice with the apple cider vinegar and with the water. Also, this is very easy. You only need 200 milliliters of water, 1 big spoon of apple cider vinegar and half of lemon or 1 lemon juice. Mix it. Also you can drink it early in the morning. Of course you will not drink it in tea and the apple cider vinegar and the lemon, as I said it, not everything at once. You can use only one for, as I said it before, 15 to 30 days in a row, and it's going to help you a lot. But I have a lot more information how this lemon tea can help you a lot. When it comes to the health benefits of lemons, they are known for the antiseptic, anti-rheumatic, antibacterial, antioxidant property and ability to reduce fever, among other things. One of major issues for the people with the hip arthrosis or arthritic conditions in the joints is excessive acidity in the body, which comes from consuming drugs, poor diet and other factors. In this case, lemon can play a big role and simple role. Despite this acidic content, one digested lemon has alkaline effect with the body, making it useful in conditions like arthritis, where acidity contributes to the issues. The bioflavonoids in the lemon are antioxidants that can help strengthen the inner lining of the blood vessels, especially veins and the capillaries, and can help combat varicose veins and easily bruising. Lemon is also valuable protective medicine. It is antiseptic and cleansing properties make it useful for one prone to atherosclerosis, as well as infections of the fever, particularly in the stomach, liver and the intestines. The ability of lemon to strengthen blood vessels walls can help prevent circulatory disorders and the bleeding gums. Lemons are also beneficial as a general tonic for many chronic illness, helping the maintaining overall good health. Lemon is very used for the thousands of years. You can now find it in any health store, but usually when I recommend it, try find something that is called organic lemon. In this case, you will need to find organic lemon tea, and this is going to help you a lot with many issues. For today's show, is most important things for you to remember. The lemon tea is going to help you a lot with your varicose veins. Also, you can use lemon juice in drinks with water with apple cider vinegar. This can help you a lot. But of course, if you have many health issues, if you take any or many drugs each day, or you eat unhealthy diet, and you have, I don't know, like 30, 45, 50 kilos overweight, this cannot help you a lot because you need to eat healthy, you need to live healthy, you must exercise regularly, and of course you need to maintain healthy weight. But and this is also going to help you a lot, but in these specific conditions, lemon is perfect for you. If you have any kind of information what remove varicose veins in natural way, please comment below. A lot of people watching this video, please help them. If you want to learn a lot more about special natural remedies that can help remove your varicose vein, watch my video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.